In the depths of our oceans lie the remnants of ancient civilizations, stories waiting to be uncovered. This exploration reveals landscapes transformed by time where the echoes of human history blend with the mysteries of the sea. As researchers dive into these underwater realms, they piece together the narratives of cultures long gone, revealing how they adapted to the changing tides of time and nature. Each artifact recovered serves as a window into the past, providing insights into the daily lives, beliefs, and innovations of civilizations that flourished before the waves claimed their legacy. These monumental structures, once symbols of power and culture, now rest silently beneath the surface, challenging explorers to unlock their ancient mysteries and understand the stories of those who built them. The delicate beauty of these ancient works reminds us of the creativity and craftsmanship that thrived in these long-lost societies, urging us to protect and honor their historical significance.